Hello, buddy. Mommy? Oh. What's up, buddy? Hello. You wanna come? You wanna come here? What are you doing? Hi, honey. Hello. What's a pretty boy? Yes? Wanna go get something to eat? Go on. That's a good boy. You gonna get something to eat? Look at what a beautiful boy you are. So pretty. What's up, Beba? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Mango's right there. Look. Mango's right there. Yes. That's Coco and Ginger. Silly babies. Hi. Hello. How are you? Look. Celery? You like celery? No? Oh, back in it goes. Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. You want some? No. Did you have some apple this morning, huh? There's a good Bubba. There's a good boy. Yes. Like banana? Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy. He likes banana. Here you go. Yes, it's a good banana. It's a good banana. Want some more? How about here? No? Here? I know, Mango's on my shoulder. There it goes. Good boy. Good boy. There you are. Yes, good boy. Here, banana. Mango, look. Let's give him a second. Oh, back in. Hello, Sapphire. What you doing? You coming to see Buddy? Huh? Buddy, 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 buddy. Buddy? Buddy, buddy, buddy. Hello, Buddy. Mommy? 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 Hello, Buddy. What's up, Buddy? Mommy? What's up, Buddy? What's up, Buddy? How are you today? Hello. How are you today, pretty boy? How are you today, pretty boy? He's a pretty boy. Sapphire, what do you think? Is it Buddy, Buddy, Buddy? It's a Buddy, Buddy, Buddy? Sapphire, Buddy, Buddy, Buddy? Buddy, Buddy, Buddy? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Sapphire's just wanting to eat his food. Peekaboo! 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 Sapphire! Peekaboo! Sapphire! Peekaboo! Mango's here! Hi, Mango! What you doing? Hello! What's up, Mango? Hi, beautiful girl. You gonna come say hi? You gonna come say hi? You gonna come say hello? Hey? Everybody came to say hi. Everybody came to say hi to you. Yes, they came to say hi to you. Hello. up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Oh, he's so cute. You're so cute. You want more banana? Hey? Hello, Coco Ginger. What you doing, guys? How's Coco Ginger today? Hello, pretty. Hello, pretty. Hello, sugar. Hello, sugar. Hello, sapphire. What's up, guys? This is my pretty girl. Coco. Hi. Hi, Coco. Hello. Hello. Coco. Hello, Coco. All right. Hi, Ginger. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. What you doing? You coming over? You coming over? Okay. Got Coco and Ginger on my head again. What's up, guys? Hi. Hello. You guys ready? You ready for some sunshine? Good morning. Hello. Hello there. You ready for some sunshine? You ready for some sunshine? Yes. Good babies. Hi. What's up, Cinnamon? What's up, Sage? Hi, babies. Hello. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Ginger. Pretty babies. Hi. Hello, Sage. You look so pretty today. Sage looks so pretty today. She does. She looks beautiful. Hello, Cinnamon. Hello, Cinnamon. How are you? Okay, let's see what's going on. We've got Sugar in the window. We have Sapphire on the swing. Mango's hanging out, just overseeing everybody, kicking people out of cages. I'm surprised she has not gone in and tried to excavate our new little baby here, but she knows this is his cage, so. And he is shy today. He's still shy. He's beautiful. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello. I think you're going to come out today. You almost made it out of your cage today. Hello, buddy. Hello. Hello, Sugar. What's Sugar doing today? Hi, Sugar. Hi, pretty girl. She looks so pretty. Sugar's a pretty girl. Yes, she is. Sugar's a pretty girl. See how our little Pace is doing today. Hi, guys. Hi. How are you feeling today, Pace? You like having Cinderella company, huh? He does. He likes having Cinderella. Oh, gosh. You know what that is? Cinnamon and sage. There's an ongoing thing. I think Sugar likes cinnamon and Sage is not having it. So she thinks Sugar a warning, like, don't come near this cage, Sugar. What'd you find? What'd you find, Sapphire? What'd you find? What's happening? What's that, pretty boy? She was like, I want some. What'd you find? What'd you find? Nice in the sunshine, huh? Uh-oh. Coco, you better watch out. He's coming. He's coming your way. Coco, watch out. Little king of the castle here. You know how he is. He wants to be on top. Doesn't he? Yes. Find something nice? Did you find something nice? She did. Cinderella and Maze are doing. You guys, hi. Hello, guys. Hello. You gonna come out today? Do some flight training? Huh? Yes, Pace needs some flight training today, huh? He needs to get strong. Yes. Good boy. Sapphire. Sapphire's on my head. Sapphire. Come on. What's Mango doing? Hello, Mango. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Mango. Is she a good girl? Mango, good girl? Mango is a little bit of a crabby girl these days. It's springtime, so she's a little bit. Say hi to her soon, though, and chase her off the beach. She's a devil. Oh, you guys made it back to the top of the perch, did ya? Huh? Yes. Good boy. Did you find any perches? Coco. You love the way he hops. So cute. He's such a pretty boy. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. I'm back. You want some more banana? Oh, I think he gets a little scared when everybody starts flying around. Hi. Hello. What's up? Sapphire is going to steal the banana, of course. Sapphire, want some more? Oh. Hey. Hello, buddy. What's up? What's up, buddy? You want some banana? Here? Can you come down here? Can you come down here and get some? Hmm? Can you come down here and get some banana? Hey? Come on, you know you want some. It's okay. You come down here. Come on down. Ow, Sapphire, stop here. He just wants a banana for himself. Okay, I gave you some. Here, you want some banana? Come on, look. I'll leave it down here. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Nah. What if I raise it? Can you reach for it? No? Too much? Too much? Okay. Let's put it in your cage here. See if I can feed it through a little bit so that you can have it. Hopefully it will stay. I don't know if it will. Probably not, but at least it'll stay enough for a few bites. Okay? All right, put it in there for you. Okay? It's back there. Go get it. Go get it, buddy. Hello, buddy. Go get it. Go on. What? Sapphire? You're so funny. Peekaboo. 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 Can Sapphire say peekaboo? Oh, Oh my goodness, he's too much today. There you go. There's banana over there, all for you. All for you. Yes, there's banana over there, all for you. Mm-hmm. Yes, you know you want that. What a pretty boy. What a beautiful boy. Ah. What a pretty boy. Okay, you go eat banana now. And Sapphire is back to his cage. And Sugar's back in her cage. Which I have to clean, guys. I'm gonna get you some more greens too, because you have absolutely desecrated these ones. It's okay, we're growing lots more. Hi. Hello, baby. Oh, there she goes. She's back to her nest. All right, you guys have to eventually come out today because I have to clean. Your nest needs cleaning. Mm-hmm. But you can... It was a good morning. Okay, okay. That was a good morning. We'll leave it. We'll leave it. All right. Oh my goodness, this silliness. Okay, you guys just go hang out and do your morning thing. And I'll be back in the afternoon to clean your cage, okay? He's back in his cage. I got you one of these. Hey, do you want to try? I'm going to put it right here. It's really good. It's really good. I think you're going to like it. We grow these here. So if you like it, we'll get you a whole bunch. Okay. All right. You just relax. We'll leave you alone now so you can have a nice morning and eat your banana. It's good to meet you. There she is. She's having her morning snack. What's up, beautiful girl? You having your snack? Mango loves her little millet snack in the morning. And then she eats all of her fruits and her veggies and her apple and her tangerine. You gonna take a bath today? I put the bath up there for you. Yeah, so you can have a bath up there too. This is their little play area. It's also next to Coco and Ginger's cage, although Coco and Ginger snagged this cage last night and then Mango went in and kicked them out this morning because that's usually Mango's cage. And Mango was very unhappy going into another cage. That's a good girl. Okay, nice morning, guys. Hi, babies. How are you? Pretty babies. Hi, Coco. Can you whistle? Nobody wants to do anything today. I think they can sense the presence of a new friend.